is Dakshit. I'm studying in 8th Pioneers. My product is millet chicken. Hey kids, come and try my yummy millet chicken. It is healthy, crunchy, and made of magic millets. It gives you superhero energy all day. It is the best snack bar for recess. It is only 10 rupees. Buy two, get a high five from me. It is natural flavor, it is not made of artificial colors. It is made of millets, peanuts, and jaggery. Try my yummy millet chicken and be like superheroes. If you buy 50 millet chickens, I will give you offer 5 rupees. Thank you.